Good morning everybody. You join me on my commute to work. New front tyre is fitted. Still got the bobbles on it. It's the first mileage, so taking it very easy this morning. It's a bit damp as you can see, so something appears to be dropping all over the place, which is nice. Oh, here we go. This could be the car that's been dropping all the oil and diesel or whatever it is all over the floor. I'm going to go back to what should have been the last video, and the question to myself is, am I doing a good job? And I'll be honest, the answer currently is no. I made quite a lot of big mistakes that have meant the videos have turned out like they turned out because of those mistakes. One of them was a mic mistake. I bought the wrong lav mic, had the wrong end on it. So the France trip should have been at least one, if not two videos of amazing roads around France. But because I had the wrong mic, that meant I had no audio whatsoever. So it turned into a clip video, which actually I think turned out pretty well, and I was happy with. Next video, the clan ride. Well, I had the right mic by then, which meant you could hear me perfectly clearly, but I had an issue with the Cardo where I had the Cardo connected to the camera in the group that I was currently in before I arrived at Evesham. And when we were in the car park before the ride, we set up a new group, and each time you set up a new group you have to reconnect the camera to the Cardo. So you have to re-bridge it. Because it's a Bluetooth connection and not mesh, it doesn't automatically stay with the connection. So I didn't get all the audio I wanted for that. What a miserable morning. So the question is, am I doing a good job? Not yet. Am I enjoying it? Absolutely. I'm loving the editing process. The DaVinci Resolve, the system I use for doing my editing, incredible program. You can do a lot on there, a huge amount in fact, and it's free. I'm not trying to become the next big thing. I'm trying to be a massive YouTuber. It's more for fun and to entertain you guys, really. That's the key. If you want to watch it, watch it. If you don't, don't. I'm, you know, whatever. I'm doing it for me, so. So mistakes I've made. The wrong mic, the wrong settings, and in fact the first time I tried to film this video, the camera was in time-lapse, which I couldn't see because of where it's positioned on my helmet. I can't quite see the rear screen. I can see the red light flashing, but I can't see the rear screen. So there I am, chatting away to the camera, telling you about my mistakes, and all it's doing is time-lapsing. The time-lapse file doesn't have an audio file. Anyway, that's enough for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.